This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert yards to meters online. Now, I like to use this converter, unitconverters.net. You can find it at this URL that I have on the screen. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that in the video description just below this video. You can click on that link and you will find yourself on this converter. Now, unitconverters.net, it's a very kind of sparse, almost old school looking page, which is good because a lot of these sites are often like littered with ads all around the sides and everywhere, and it's kind of hard to see what's going on. So those are just obviously money plays. But if you just want something very simple like this, you can convert from yards to meters really easy. If you wanted to do 100 yards, we can find out that that is in fact 91.44 meters. We get the result there. We get all of these definitions here. There's a quick conversion table which could be useful as well, and everything changes based on what I put in here. So you know, go with really specific amounts as large as you want, and you immediately get your result here. So you can see yards to meters. You can flip it as well if you wanted to do meters to yards, and there are of course a whole ton of other currency and light and engineering, heat, different common converters with length and volume and area and stuff, energy, force, speed, everything you can imagine under the sun at unitconverters.net. Yeah, that has been a video on how to convert from yards to meters easily online. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.